Okay, good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, depending on the time you are listening to this video. It's your math teacher, Kagame Emmanuel. I'm happy to go through this past paper IBDP question on trigonometry one more time. I'm still doing my series on that. So what are we doing today? This is question one. As I'm aiming to make the videos short, today I'm doing two questions. The first question is easy and not complicated at all. So I hope you are going to try to fully understand what is happening. Okay, very good. This question has how many marks? 7, right? Do you see that? Okay, good. Now, the following diagram shows a non-right angle triangle. That's a key word here as well. So then they gave you the sides of a triangle. Then they said, wow, they were very generous here. They told you using sine rule, like a hint, okay? Then show that cos theta is equal to that. Okay, let us try to do the question. Are you ready? Question A. Now, back to the question. We have two angles. This is that. And then we have two sides here as well. Okay, now, if that's what we have, and we are asked to find cos theta, let's start. So let me start by this angle. So sine rule, I hope you remember, going to be sine 2 theta, right? Over the side opposite to that, that is 6 square root of 1. Square root of 2 equals 2 sine theta, right? I hope you get what I mean. Okay, over 5, right? Let me try to move very fast here. Now, from your formula booklet, you should know what is sine 2 theta, right? Sine 2 theta from your formula booklet, it is 2 sine theta cos theta, right? Okay. Over 6 square root of 2 equals to sine theta over 5, right? Good. Now, what do we do next? I hope you can see. Let me use the different thing. You see, this one and this, they can cancel out, right? Okay. And then I cross multiply. I want to cross multiply and multiply this one here. I'll get to cos theta equals to 6 square root of 2 over what? Over 5. Are we together here? I divide by 2 both sides. When I divide by 2 both sides, what do I get? By 2 here. I'm going to have cos theta as 3, because I'm simplifying this one by this. I hope you see what I mean here. Square root of 2 over 5. Should we check if you are correct? Yes, that's what they gave me. Very good. Okay. Question A done, right? Very easy question. Okay. Question B, what did they say? Question B, they said, find sine theta. Okay, we have cos theta, then they say sine theta. Back to the formula, which I always say is very important in trigonometry, part of trigonometry, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. You can't do trigonometry when you don't know this. Maybe in one of my videos, I have to prove where this formula comes from because it's most important formula. Good. Now, we have cos theta, right? So sine squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. So my cos theta is that. So when I take it on the other side, it will be subtraction, right? When the number crosses equal sign, the sign changes. Okay, very good. Now, it's going, when I square that, it will be 3 square root of 2 over 5 squared. Now, what do I get here now? I'm going to have sine squared theta equals to 1 minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 gives me 2 times 3 squared is 9 times 2, that's 18, right? I hope you understand the way I've done the question so fast, right? Because it's going to be square root of 2, this one, square root of 2 times square root of 2. I hope you know that. Square root of a times square root of a from side, that should be a. So square root of a times square root of a is a. So which is 3 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2. This is what I'm doing here, guys. Okay, so which will give me 9 times 2, which gives me 18, right? Okay, very good. Now, so what do I get? I'll get sine squared theta equals 2. Find LCM here, guys. So 25 minus 18, right? Okay, very good. Over 25. So what about this? Sine squared theta will be equal to 7 over 25, right? Good. Now find the square root of that. So theta will be equal to square root of 7 over 5. Okay, am I talking to someone? Okay, here you have to see. They said your theta is between that. That's why I did only that. Yeah, I did. So all students take chemistry. Okay, all students take chemistry. Okay, all students take chemistry here. So A, all of them are positive. Here, sign is only positive, cos then tan. So, and they told me 0 to pi over 2. So I'm here, I have to go with the positive value. Very good. Okay. Now, what do we have next? Oh, next, that's question B. Question C. Point D is located on AC somewhere here. Okay. Very good. That's your point D. And then such that the area of triangle BCD, B triangle BCD. This is the triangle they talk about. This is the triangle. Sorry, guys. This is the triangle they are talking about. The area of that triangle is what? Is given by this one. Okay, okay, not bad. So then find what? Find the DC. This is what they're asking me. Okay. I think I can do, let me do it here. Question C. Okay, I'll try my best to do it here. Now, because I want to do it when you're seeing that. So how do you get area of a triangle which is not a right angle triangle? It's a half. Area of a triangle is a half. You can check from your booklet, but you should be knowing that, guys, okay? Sine C, okay? Now, good. What's the area given? The area is 2 square root of 14, right? Equals to A. A, let me call this one any letter. I can call it, let me keep it as A, right? Because if I'm looking for, this is the area I have. So I'm considering this triangle. So I'm calling this side A. So it's a half A times, this is a half here, guys, times B, which is 6 square root of 2. Then sine C, which is sine theta. And we got our sine theta as, remember that, this is my sine theta. That's what I got, okay? So times square root of 7 over 5. Are we together here? Do you get that? Okay, good. Okay, good. So now, back here, I'll have 2 square root of 14 equals to, that is, can I try to simplify this? If I simplify this, what do I get? First of all, these 2 guys with that, I'll remain with 3 here, right? Okay, so give me a square root of 14, right? I hope you see what I'm talking about. Over 5, okay? Can we confirm one more time? It's 1 over 2 simplified with that, I'll get 3 So here there is 3 at this point. Okay, good. Now, what is remaining here is just rearranging the equation. So I cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I'll get 10 square root of 14 equals to 3a square root of 14. Okay, very good. Can I divide by 3 square root of 14 because I'm solving for a? Okay, which is DC, 14 here. So when I divide, what do I get? I'll get 3 square root of 14. So this cancels out with that. So my value of a, which is the DC, DC equals to 10 over 3. Okay, thank you very much. This is the first question. In the next video, I'm going to do the second question, which is pure HR. Very good question. So by the way, you can try it before you watch my next video. And I hope you are going to enjoy it. It's a very good question of 7 marks. So thank you very much. Like, share, comment, ask me any question, any step you didn't understand, any question you want me to do, any topic you want me to explain, feel free to ask me. So very easy. I hope you have understood that. If there's a step you didn't understand, feel free to ask, and I'm always there. So you can even email me any question, any past paper, any topic. I'm always ready to answer your question.